before we go onward, let me talk about this unit right here. This is the inverter. If you haven't worked with hybrid cars before, just know that this unit has a high voltage and a high current, and it can kill you. So when you're working with the electronics, it is best to make sure that you disconnect both this battery and 12-volt battery just before you go onward. Alright, so these are the batteries. We're in the trunk right now. So as for the 12-volt battery, it's easy to disconnect. This white cable right here, we're just going to press a button on the bottom of it and pull it out. Let me see if I can touch it. Alright. It takes a decent amount of strength. There we go. So we got the 12-volt battery disconnected, and now we're going to focus our attention to the hybrid battery. Here's the basics. So pull up, pull down, or slide to the left. Pull to the left, and then slide out. Alright, so let's go back to disconnecting the bottom cowl, the bottom half. So first off, we're going to disconnect this harness right here. Even though we've already disconnected the electronics, we still have to make sure that we get all the parts separated. The next step is we're going to separate these wires from the cowl, and in order to do that, we're going to take a plier. We're going to squeeze the fasteners like this, and then they should go easily through the hole. And you can see the holes from here. Alright, so now that that's done, we're going to take a 10mm socket and unscrew it. Alright, make sure we don't lose this. Make sure it doesn't drop. This unit is called the relay, by the way. It says right here. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside. So now we can just take this and navigate it off to the side so it's out of the way. So just put it right here. Anywhere is fine. And then let me show you where the screws are, the bolts that we're going to take out are. So first on this side, let me get the flashlight. There it is. Okay. So there's one at the far right, a second one here, a third one right here, and going to the middle, we have to take this one out, so right now 5 in total, and these two out, so 7 in total. So they're all 10mm. So just take your socket wrench or handy dandy Milwaukee and take it out. We don't lose that. I'll do that one later. Let's see if this one's possible. I think I've got it stuck. Let me. It's getting stuck right under that, so I have to naggle it. Oh, okay. Wait. 4 in total. Actually 5 in total, and there's one here and one there. Okay. I hope it doesn't fall. Alright, so one thing to note is that these top two ones have different bolts. These are longer and have sort of a washer in between. Alright, let me set that aside. And finally, this last one. I hope it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't look like it's gonna fall though. Alright, here we go. So let's see. So while doing this, we discovered there are actually two more screws, two more bolts My bad. There's one right here. Can you see it? Let's see. Okay, so I think you can see it. No, actually, no. You have to. Right here. Okay, yeah, you can see it. And one to its left. Right here. So those should be easy to take out. And also, we have to take out the wire. So let me get my pliers. So we have to take out this wire, and we have to do it from the bottom. So let me just can't see it. Okay. So you can either pry it out or squeeze it from the bottom. Let me see it. Okay. All right. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's broken anyway. Okay, so set this aside for now. Tuck it right there. And then we're gonna take out those last two. This one hopefully shouldn't be too hard to take out. Okay. And oh, I guess I didn't fix it on. Okay, so take that out and this out. Okay, set that aside. And let's see, moment of truth. So in total, there are 9 bolts to take out and a few fasteners and cables to take out. All right. Oh, okay, so let's take it out now. Just make sure that when you take it out, there are nothing attached. And there we go. The bottom half of the cowl with what I think is the windshield wiper mechanism. So let's talk about why you would want to remove the cowl in the first place. Now, there might be a few reasons. For example, just looking here, you might want to replace the suspension, maybe some parts of the brake system, like the brake master cylinder, the brake actuator. There's also some pumps and heaters that you can replace. Maybe on this side. Maybe some parts of the AC, and maybe like the oxygen sensor, you know, that kind of stuff. Anything that's right here that you need to replace, that's what you would need to remove the cowl for. And with that said, I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EYeOnAiman, especially the auto repair videos. And I'll see you next time. Signing out. Peace.